You can sue a restaurant under a variety of circumstances. Common reasons for suing a restaurant include food poisoning, slip and fall accidents, burns or injuries, allergic reactions, and breaches of contract or fraudulent practices. Below is a detailed guide on when and how you might sue a restaurant. Common reasons for suing a restaurant. 1. Food poisoning. Symptoms: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and severe stomach cramps. Evidence needed: medical records, a detailed timeline of your symptoms, and, if possible, samples of the food. Legal basis: product liability or negligence. 2. Slip and fall accidents. Causes: wet floors, uneven surfaces, poor lighting, or obstructions. Evidence needed: photos of the hazard, witness statements, and medical records. Legal basis: premises liability. 3. Burns or injuries. Causes: hot food or drinks, unsafe equipment, or negligent staff behavior. Evidence needed: medical records, photographic evidence of injuries, and witness accounts. Legal basis: negligence or product liability. 4. Allergic reactions. Causes: failure to disclose allergens or cross-contamination. Evidence needed: medical records, the restaurant's menu or allergen disclosure, and a detailed timeline. Legal basis: negligence or failure to warn. 5. Foreign objects in food. Examples: finding a piece of glass, metal, or plastic in your meal. Evidence needed: the foreign object itself, photographic evidence, and witness statements. Legal basis: product liability. 6. Breach of contract or fraudulent practices. Causes: failure to honor reservations, overcharging, or deceptive advertising. Evidence needed: receipts, communication records, and any contracts or agreements. Legal basis: breach of contract or consumer protection laws. Steps to take before suing a restaurant. 1. Document everything. Photos and videos. Capture clear images or videos of the hazardous condition, injury, or foreign object in food. Medical records. Keep detailed medical records if you sought medical treatment. Receipts and bills. Maintain all receipts and bills related to your visit to the restaurant. 2. Seek medical attention. Immediate care. See a doctor immediately if you suffer from food poisoning, allergies, or injuries. Medical report. Obtain a detailed medical report documenting your condition and treatment. 3. Report the incident. To the restaurant. Notify the restaurant management about the incident and request an incident report. Health department. File a complaint with your local health department if the issue is related to food safety. 4. Consult an attorney. Specialized attorney. Seek the advice of an attorney who specializes in personal injury, product liability, or consumer protection law. Initial consultation. Many attorneys offer free initial consultations to assess the viability of your case. 5. File a complaint, if needed. Formal complaint. If the restaurant fails to resolve the issue to your satisfaction, formalize your complaint by sending a demand letter or filing a complaint with consumer protection agencies. Filing a lawsuit. 1. Determine the legal basis. Negligence. Prove that the restaurant had a duty of care and breached it, causing you harm. Product liability. Argue that the restaurant served defective or contaminated food. Breach of contract. Show that the restaurant failed to honor specified agreements. 2. Initiate the lawsuit. File the complaint. Your attorney will draft and file a complaint outlining your case in the appropriate court. Serve the defendant. Serve the restaurant with a copy of the complaint and summons. 3. Legal proceedings. Discovery phase. Both sides gather and exchange evidence. Negotiations. Many cases are settled out of court through negotiations or mediation. Trial. If no settlement is reached, the case goes to trial, where both parties present their evidence and arguments. 4. Resolution. Settlement. Agree on compensation without going to trial. Court judgment. A judge or jury delivers a verdict and awards damages if applicable. Suing a restaurant can be a complex process that requires substantial evidence and legal expertise. By documenting everything, seeking medical attention, consulting an attorney, and following the proper legal steps, you can increase your chances of a successful outcome.